have been like, all right.
I know. You want to rerun? We'll set it up when I get my braces and I get my front tires.
That's good. But we need at least 2,000 inside. I'm not doing it for 5.
We could do 2,000 then.
All right.
We'll get it.
2,000?
We'll get it up.
Yeah, give us some time, man.
We'll lock it in. I'm still waiting on my shit.
Shit comes in, we'll lock it in.
Once I get my shit, we'll lock it in.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
You good? Yeah. All right.